Hey folks, welcome back to High Plant Repertoire. Today I am going to make a pumpkin smoothie, my version of Dr. Michael Greger's pumpkin pie smoothie recipe, which is in his How Not to Die cookbook. I am using 1 frozen banana, pumpkin puree, dates, turmeric, pumpkin pie spice, and water. I'm just going to use a 1-inch piece of the turmeric, but if you don't have fresh turmeric, you can use ground turmeric, about 1 teaspoon. I'm using a heaping half cup of 100% pumpkin puree, not pumpkin pie filling. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and join me on this journey as I try to build a healthier and kinder cooking repertoire.